Welcome, dear students. I am from St. Mary English High School, Standard 5th, Subject EVS 2, Chapter 3, Life on Earth. Introduction. 4 billion years ago, the Earth was very different place than it is today. The sun was only 70% of its present strength. Earth was spinning much faster and day was only 18 hours long, and there was no fire oxygen in the atmosphere. How was anything to survive on such an hospitable planet? Now, today, let us start Chapter 3, Life on Earth. Formation of the Earth, beginning of life on Earth, animal world on the Earth. 3.1 The formation of the Earth. How the Earth is formed. We have many questions in our mind about the planet, how Earth revolving around the sun. So, all these things that create a question in our mind. Now, there are some questions we all wonder about. For example, how did the Earth on which we live come to be? When did that happen? What is always the way we think it today, or has it undergone changes? If it has changed, what exactly are those changes? You might have think, students, how to find and how Earth came to be existent. We have many questions in our mind. Many times we are thinking that how Earth is formed exactly. What is the shape of the Earth? How the water bodies form on this Earth? Air, atmosphere, land, human being. How we are living here? Other planets like living things are there or not? Many times we are thinking lot of things about about our Earth and our planet. On the basis of scientific research, it is now believed that around 4.5 billion years ago, an enormous means a very large size, cloud of very hot gases and the spinning at a great speed was formed in space. In circular motion at great speeds caused it to divide it into several portions, thus creating the sun and planet which revolves around the sun. The name of these planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Now students, we will see the explanation. 4.5 billion years ago, there is a hot and huge dust gas, very huge mass that's spinning in the space in very high speed, in circular motion. Because of spinning, it gets breaks and divided into several parts and form their own solar system. Created. We all know we are having 8 planets, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune came in existence a very huge cloud made of dust particle and spinning in high speed in circular motion, and Earth came to be existent, and Earth took birth. This is our Earth that took birth, and our Earth is like a fire that time, 4.5 billion years ago. Now 3.2 Beginning of life on Earth. Among this planet, the Earth is only planet where life is known to be exist. After the formation of the Earth, it took about 80 crore years for its surface to cool down and for water bodies to be formed on it. It is believed that various kinds of unicellular organisms or living things first appeared in water. They are known as protozoa. Gradually, multicellular living things develop from these unicellular ones. The protozoa are so tiny that they cannot be seen with the naked eyes. We need a microscope to see them. Now, students, Earth is only planet that we can live. After the formation of the Earth, it took 80 crore year to surface to cool down. After cooling down, there is the availability of water. Because of water, the spectacle took birth since water. After one organism took birth in water, that is unicellular organism having only one cell. Only unicellular organism having one cell, that is a protozoa. This is a protozoa. In that you can see only the one cell. We cannot see with the naked eyes. We have to use microscope to see the unicellular organism, that is a cell. This is a microscope. With the help of this microscope, we have to see the unicellular organism, that is a one cell. With the unicellular organism, the multicellular organism also took birth. Multicellular example, that is we are having the more cell. For example, human beings having the more cells. Now we will move to 3.3, the animal world on the earth. The living world on the earth consists of plants and animals. Here we shall take into account the animal world. The following are the some of the main characteristics of the animal. Now students, we will see the characteristics of the animal. First, animal breathe. Now students, it is very simple that animal can breathe. Point 2, animal move in order to get food or for other purposes. Animal can move from one place to another for the food and for other purposes also. They can move from one place to another. 3, animal of some species lay eggs and their own ones are born out of egg. Animals are some other species give birth to their younger ones. Some animals lay egg and some give birth to the younger ones. Example, birds, butterfly, ducks, etc. They lay eggs, and those who are giving birth to the younger ones, that is human beings, buffaloes, monkey, etc. They give birth to their younger ones. These are the main characteristics of the animals. Thank you, students.